is a 1977 Silverado Big 10. I am the current caretaker of it. I bought this truck back in September from a guy named Soup. An extensive build on Instagram with it. If you look up the brown bagger, that's her name, by the way. He named it, and it fits it perfectly. But he bought it, probably 9 or 10 years ago, foreign truck out from California, and then proceeded to take the whole underneath out of it and put in, I think it's GSI, front and back, bagged it, ran the exhaust from where the fuel tanks were. It had dual tanks, and then he ran the exhaust out where the openers were to fill it up. This is the original 454 in it, but he took it out, bored it, stroked it, so now it's 496 cubic inches. Those are Delmo speed, one-off wheels. They're 22s. When I got it, it needed a little sprucing up, so I did some odds and ends to it. I did mainly some interior stuff. It needed a instrument cluster and carpet, and it had an old cassette player in it or something. Kind of put everything back the way it should be. Freshened it all up. Classic Parts, got a lot of stuff from them. They've helped me out a lot, and they're helping us out with the shindig, and I really appreciate it.